got your bottom planer, top planer, and you can variably select a multi-rip function on this machine, which is ideal when doing 38 by 38 brandering. This machine is basically like a new machine, brand new blades, brand new cutter blocks, overhauled all the wheels on it. The whole machine has been rewired originally. It's in perfect nick. We resprayed it. You can see it looks brand new, and it's functioning as a brand new machine. So we're going to do a small little test run for you, yeah, just for your pleasure.